living room, which again accommodates nice slabs put in here, nice spacious master bedroom. I like how beautifully it's done. Hello, I'm Vidya Nair and welcome to Housey. Today I'm thrilled to introduce you to a lovely project by the Godrej called the Barca at Godrej MSR City. And before I give you more details about this lovely project, let me introduce you to Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with developers, thus giving you the property at a bottom rate price. Housey also saves you from the hassle of receiving numerous calls from various brokers. And how does Housey do that? Housey directly connects you with the developer. So what are you waiting for? You can book your dream home today by directly connecting with the developer through Housey. So come on in, let's go have a look at some of the sample flats that are available. And now to give you an overview of this lovely project, that is the Barca by Godrej at MSR City. This property is spread across a land parcel of 62 acres, and these 62 acres comprise of 6 buildings and 31 towers, and each of these towers consists of 2 basements, ground floor and 14 floors. And now talking about the amenities of this lovely project, it boasts of 30 plus amenities, which includes a nice clubhouse that accommodates a nice large auditorium with banquet hall and kitchen facilities. You have the other area, which is your skating ring, cycle track, your community park, volleyball area, and then you also have different activities here like a dance studio, your cafe, gym, indoor games area, etc. And talking about the connectivity of this project, that's Barca at Godrej MSR City. This property is about 7 minutes from the Kempegowda International Airport, about 4 minutes from the Dodajala metro station, about 7 minutes from the KIADB Aerospace Tech Park, and about 7 minutes from the Forum Mall. So this is the location of the Barca by Godrej MSR City, as you can see the board behind. And this location is called Shettigere, which is very close to the Bangalore International Airport. Hello and welcome to Housey. I'm Vidya Nair, and today I'm going to show you around a beautiful 3 BHK property, that is the Barca at Godrej MSR City. As you enter this lovely 3 BHK property, you're welcomed by this nice forest space here. You can decorate it and set it up however you like, and you have this enough space with this nice large door right behind you for a lot of natural light and ventilation. As you enter here, you can see the living room, which again accommodates a 6-seater seating, and right next to the living space, right opposite to it, is the television area, and the cabinets right below that. So the living space here also has an attached balcony. As you can see, it's a nice wide long attached balcony, quite spacious, the perfect place to entertain your guests and family and have nice get together in the evenings. And now we will move to, as you can see, the kitchen area here. You have nice slabs put in here, enough space to accommodate cabinets both below and on top, and it also has a nice utility space here outside to store your dishwasher and other appliances if required. So this was the kitchen area. Now let's go have a look at the first bedroom of the 3 BHK flat. This bedroom again has a nice queen size bed. It has these nice large French windows to give you a lot of natural light and ventilation, also add to the beauty of this bedroom. Right next to the bedroom is your wardrobe space. Again, the perfect wardrobe space for your kids or your guests. This can be used as a kids room or a guest bedroom. Right opposite, you have the space here where you can put on a nice large television, and there are a lot of there's enough space for cabinets here in the bottom. And this room also comes with an attached bathroom, as you can see, with anti-skid tiles and luxury bath fittings. So this was the first bedroom of the 3 BHK flat at Barca at Godrej MSR City. Come on and let's have a look at the second bedroom. Now before I go take you to the second bedroom, here is the dining space, which again accommodates a nice 8-seater dining table, a nice large dining table. You can overlook the garden area outside. There's a lot of natural light coming in here, which completely adds to the nice aura of the place. I also like this detailing that they've done here. It's pretty. Now let's go have a look at the second bedroom. So before we go to the second bedroom, you have a common bathroom area here with anti-skid tiles and luxury bath fittings. A lot of natural light. And this is the second bedroom. This bedroom doesn't have an attached bathroom, but it accommodates a queen size bed with enough space to nice 2 large wardrobes here, which go all the way to the top. Right opposite is your television area, or you can use it as a bookshelf area, and nice large windows with a nice view of the garden area outside. So now let me take you to the master bedroom, which is the third bedroom in the 3 BHK property by Barka. But before I give you more details, let's find out what Housey does for us. Housey is going to give you an actual tour of the location. Housey is going to give you a tour of the sample flat. Housey is going to explain to you about the pros and cons of purchasing this project. Housey is going to give you the EMI and down payment options available. And Housey is also going to give you a 360-degree virtual tour of the project. So if you like this project, you please do not forget to click on the link below so that you can download the e-brochure with more details, or our sales team will be more than happy to assist you. Come on in. So this is a nice spacious master bedroom. I like how beautifully it's done. A lot of space. It has a nice queen size bed, enough space on either sides for the bedside tables, a nice window here as well for some natural light. And my favorite part is this nice balcony, which is the attached balcony to the master bedroom, which is also quite spacious and nice. And now right opposite the bed, again you have your television area here and a nice quiet corner here, which can be used as your study table. And here again it accommodates nice 2 large wardrobes, and there's enough space here to add maybe a dressing mirror and other cabinets for more space if required. And this master bedroom also has a nice attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles and luxury bath fittings. So this was 3 BHK property of Barka at Godrej MSR City. And if you like this property and want to see more such interesting properties, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.